I tried the back crack challenge on my boyfriend.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Oh my god! Okay, I saw the girl who cracks like literally every bone in her body talk about this and how to make your back crack, so I'm gonna try it and see what happens. So she said bring your leg up and across and have your arm go across the other way and put this here to push your body that way. I don't understand how that's gonna work, but I'll that worked.
Like try to walk it 3 times.
Sit like higher up on your knees, like, and then do like this.
My knees fucking.
I don't care.
Here, wait, restart.
Bitch needs a mat for her knees. Come on now, sis. All right. Hold on.
It worked.
Oh my god. Do me.
Did you hear it?
Chloe, come here. Oh, I took a shit earlier. Come sit right here. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Sit go high up on your knees. Yeah, like that. Okay. Put your hands like this. Okay, sit like that. No, don't move your arms. Okay, do it.
Okay.
Oh. Yes!
Okay, go.
Okay.
It's not recording. Wow.
Oh.
Yay! It was successful.
Dad, can you crack my back? Oh, try it. It's been hurting me so bad.
Put your hands back here.
Back here?
Yeah, put them intertwine your fingers. Put it like this. Now, like this. Ready? Ready?
Oh my god!
Fuck! Fuck!
Why did you do that?
Shut up! You had ice in your freaking mouth.
You're an asshole.
Was that really your? You have something in your. Oh my god, you okay?
I need you to.
Alright, so I wear you like a backpack?
Or is it like this? I think it's like this.
Oh boy, she doesn't even know.
Hold on.
Hold on, my head started spinning when I stood up. Oh,
Oh, well, take a sip.
yeah.
Use me. Oh, this is a Renaissance portrait. Oh, I'm so scared.
Okay.
Oh! I cracked! You're so short. Is this where you kablam me? If this works, I'll fucking cry. Okay. Oh! I feel like you just unlocked trauma in my back. I know, I feel like I just unblocked my throat chakra. We recommend this experience.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Anna, I can't believe that cracked so much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that totally sounded like it cracked. The weirdest part is that it sounded like it cracked your jaw. Is your jaw okay? Oh my gosh, Anna, is your jaw okay? Let me, oh my gosh. Oh no, Anna, you're leaking pasta. Oh my gosh. I can't believe. Oh my gosh. Let's do it this way now.
Why didn't you get pranked?
Ladies, this is how you keep your man happy. Make him stand in front of you, put his arms out, touch his shoulders, align his elbows, then you stand behind him, 1 foot in the middle. You're gonna grab his elbows and we're gonna pull back, and then you gotta push your sternum and pull back.
Oh, oh yes.